We're going to filter our shipments. So we can see that we have several shipments to different locations in Jakarta that are due, in this case today, okay? We're going to select all the shipments that we want to consolidate, okay? And we're going to select the assets that we're going to use, okay? Or the asset types, actually, and the horizon planning, okay? So we have the shipments, we have the one that we just created, which is basically this one, and another two that I created for the purpose of the demo. Um, and we're going to select the assets that we're going to use to serve these, okay? Um, and then let's just see what consolidation route it gives us, okay? So this is an optimization integration that we do with PTV, okay? PTV is one of the main companies in the world that does optimization algorithms, okay? So in this case, it gives us a trip that starts off from our warehouse, and it gives us the different delivery points in order with predictive ETAs, okay? Um, in order to allow us to consolidate the route. It takes into account, of course, the size constraints of the truck. So if I were to consolidate 20 different delivery orders or delivery shipments, it would give us as many routes as necessary to fulfill with that 24-foot dry van. Okay. In this case, only one truck is needed, and the router is going to start at 8 a.m. and supposedly it's going to be over at 11. Okay. We also have a tool with a Gantt chart in order to assign these orders to our drivers. Okay. So in here we have a list of the drivers on our database, and down below we have a list of the trips that need to be assigned. Okay. If we have, we can change this to a daily basis or on an hourly basis. Um, so we have a lot of free people on our environment, but we're going to assign the trip that was previously created, and we're going to select a tractor, and we're going to select a trailer, okay? And we're going to assign it to basically myself. I'm going to be doing everything today in this demo, okay? So if we get into the trip, um, good. We're going to see that it has been assigned to myself with a tractor and trailer number. And what I wanted to show you guys is we have an integration with Route for Me. Okay, this Route for Me is a mobile app. It's a mobile app that will allow truck drivers to execute the trips on field. Okay, so I've received an email. Okay, in which I can see that this route has been assigned to me. Okay, the route that we were seeing in Salesforce has been assigned to me. So I'm going to connect my phone, and we're going to open up the Route for Me app. So in here, we can see the route that I just got assigned, this trip. Okay. If we open it up, so I'm going to download the route. Um, and in here, I have the route definition. Okay. It's scheduled for 9 a.m. It is, hello. Okay. Sometimes since I don't open this app, all this configuration. So in here, we can see the route defined on Salesforce. So we can take a look at the departure address and the different stops. Okay. So we need to go to Jalan Haji Dogon and then Jalan Teratai. Well, you know, these addresses in Jakarta. Okay. And then go back to our warehouse. Okay. We have two options. We can ask the app to make us go to the location basically with the navigate button. But let's just say that I arrived. Okay. Oh, I need to start the route. Sorry. I'm going to start the route first. Okay. So I've started the route. I'm going to say that I arrived in here, and I'm going to add a note. I'm going to say that we pick up the word, no comments, but pick up a word. We can actually take pictures. Okay. different events that could happen. Potentially some cargo was missing or there was some damage, and we can enter this node. Okay. Uh, and we can basically say that this was already done. And we will do so with each and every one of the different stops. But interesting thing, how does this look like? In Salesforce, in real time, we will receive those events, okay? And we will be able to see all the different events in real time, and in the so with the different pictures that with the different pictures that were taken. Okay, so we can see that it was picked up. We can take a look at the picture that was taken on the cell phone, and we can see all the events displayed with a timestamp. Okay, so we can also add warning messages from the cell phone. Uh, uh, so in case there was some problem, we can create warning. So location not found, for instance, or incorrect address, and we create different. Okay, yeah, done. And if we retrieve those events, okay, we assign them different icons so people could stay on track. Okay.